Well, hello everyone. Thanks for tuning in to KT Garage. I've been looking for some ideas on upgrading the Corvette, the C8, making it a little bit more unique. And I've been doing quite a bit already, as you've seen on some of my other episodes. So I want to do a little bit more, but I don't know what's the next upgrade to make it look unique, but not too much. So I ran across this logo, and this is full carbon fiber. This came from RPM. It's the RPM Corvettes, and I bought other things from these guys before. I believe I bought the side view mirror from them, and I also bought the steering wheel from them, the carbon fiber steering wheel. So this company make great carbon fiber. You can see the quality. It's just unbelievable. So I got these for $122. They're on sale. So I'm going to put this on, and this goes on top of the engine bay, right behind the spoiler. And the reason why I wanted to change from the black color or flash, carbon flash they call it, to this carbon fiber is that this rear wing is full carbon fiber, and so it doesn't match very well when you look at the wing and then you look past the wing and you see carbon flash. So this is definitely going to make it stands out a little bit more. So I'm going to go ahead and take the existing Stingray out and then put this on and see how it looks. Okay, so first I'm gonna heat this up a little bit with the heating gun. Just make sure you don't apply too much heat on it. You just need to get the adhesive to soften a little bit. I'm gonna use dental floss and see if I can get this to come out. Well, just like that, it's separated, so I should be able to lift this up. And here we go. Now I need to just clean all this up, and we're ready to stick another one on. Well guys, the job's completed. The Stingray looked really good with the carbon fiber. Definitely can see the carbon fiber color. So you just stand in the back, and I already have this piece down here in carbon fiber. You look up, there's carbon fiber here, and then looking past that, and you see this nice Stingray sitting right there. So looks amazing. I'm super happy. Well guys, the part that takes the most time was to remove the adhesive from the paint. Make sure you give yourself plenty of time. It took me about 10 minutes. Make sure you rub real lightly and don't scrub too much because it'll ruin your paint. So when that's out, stick the new Stingray on, and that's it. The procedure is super simple, but it does make the car stands out. It looks unique. It's it's something that a little subtle. If you don't look for it, you're not going to see it. But if you're a hardcore fan of Corvettes, you're going to go look for these little details, and you're going to appreciate the work that other people put on. So all in all, I'm pretty happy with the investment. I thought it's a really good investment. It's $120, and it makes your car stands out. So I'm going to look for other ideas to do more upgrades to the car. But until then, I appreciate you tuning in to KT Garage. If you like the content, please like and subscribe. Thank you.